Yeah, it's a fucking problem every time I come around your town, for real, nigga. Hit me up, man. Already know, nigga. Yeah, I'm Money Bobo, man. I'm Money Bobo, man. I'm Money Bobo, man. I'm Money Bobo, man. Stay with the hundreds in my pocket, give me, man. Yeah. Look, I'm the paper man. I don't chase paper, cause I ain't in rush to get it. That's why I'm called Money Bobo. I get the shit on a regular basis. Niggas wanna be like me, wanna see like me, hit like me, niggas drive like me. What you wanna do? But every time I whip around your hood, it's a fucking problem. What you niggas mean? Phone ringing. They say what's up, Money Bobo, got that chopper for you young niggas. I say yeah, nigga, you come around my hood, you leave all my shit with a half a body. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I knock your head off. Bitches ain't kickball. Nigga, what you niggas wanna do? Check the flow. I already know I killed it. It's a fucking problem when I do this shit. I'm tired of this shit. They stop hating, cause you wasn't gifted with the shit that I got, man. Nigga, why you hating on me? I'm just doing my shit that I was gifted with. Stop playing with me, you wanna do it, man. I take a break, now I'm right back in your bitch, man. Ha! Nigga, what you wanna do, man? You wanna throw the hands, you wanna shoot, man. But guess what? You ain't gonna be able to pull around because my gun go faster than your fucking trigger finger. Yeah, I said that shit. Yeah, niggas know I got rhymes for days, time for days. I do this shit. My man Speedy wanted me to do this shit with him, so I did it with my man. My man is supposed to be on this track with me. Now you niggas better get ready for the troopers, cause we coming in, we not stopping, nigga. We make an album, and we killing, nigga. Nigga, every album that we put out, we killing, nigga. When we get in that studio, we heal them, nigga. But it's a problem. It's a problem when we do this shit together, for real. Why you niggas hating? This me and my man shit. We wanted to do this shit, so we gon' do this shit, and we gon' kill you niggas. It's a fucking problem, for real, nigga. Come holler at the Bobo, nigga. I'm the CEO, nigga. Yeah, come holler at me. I got that chopper for you. As a matter of fact, I got that thing for you. That AK pop off, nigga. Money Bobo, man. The CEO all day. Hit me up, man.